Hey guys, I'm at Thorpe Park today. I'm going to have a smashing time here. First of all, I'm going on is The Walking Dead. Don't know what to say. So yeah, it is a lovely sunny day here in Jersey, Surrey. I'm actually with a couple of mates. Yeah, we're going to literally go here for quite a while. Possibly meet someone in the park. I'm not going to say who he is yet, but hopefully we will be able to bump into him. Yeah, this has been my first vlog in a while. My friend really wanted me to do this, so I'm doing it for him. So yeah, we're approaching the entrance of Thorpe Park Resort in Chertsey. I can't wait. We're going to go over the bridge in a minute, go the Armour Score track, so we're going to go through the dome, we're going to walk through base camp, we're going to walk through, hang on, I'm vlogging, we're going to walk through Lost City probably, and straight onto The Walking Dead, and also to a new theme world called The Dockyard.
My name is Jay. Who are you joined by, man?
And I'm joined by Livestream Gamer, also known as the Planet Live Coaster.
My name is Paul.
And Mo. So you guys, we are now walking along the bridge now from the entrance to the dome. My famous core music going. Yeah, and I think the first ride we're going to do is The Walking Dead. My friend here is going to Livestream Gamer / Planet Live Coaster is going to be doing it in POVs. So should be some on-ride footage. I'll do some off-ride footage. So look, as some of you guys can currently work out, I'm actually standing outside Saw right now. Absolutely no way I am doing this ride ever. That goes so fast, going to capture that. My two friends have gone on it. I just noticed that the queue time's gone up to 32 minutes, so I could be waiting there for a while. But yeah, I'm standing there doing it. I just did a off-ride POV. I'll be coming around and stop here. Yeah, you ain't seen me on this thing. Say Gerslau, a Gerslau Eurofighter, a thing around the Saw movie franchise. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Hopefully, oh, here we go. Yeah, it's in the frame. Oh, my head's in the way, kind of. Gonna try to get the sun out. I don't know. There it comes. There we go. So I'm currently in Amity right now. I about an hour ago, or how long it is? It's 2:21 already. Bloody hell. Yeah, I went to a bloody KFC, had a bonus banquet. You get 3 mini billets. What did you get? Popcorn chicken, a small fries, I think it's, or medium fries, one or two, and beans with a drink and a dip. Now, I believe I've got ketchup on mine. I can't find it. Yeah, the drink was a Pepsi Max Cherry. Lovely. And that cost that cost £8.09 for that. My mate's over there at the Amity Kebab Co. Getting some kebabs. Actually, no, one of them is, but the other one's not. Yeah, the people I said that I was going to meet in the park, we can't seem to find them. We thought we might bump into them today, but at the moment we're struggling, so struggling to find them. So you never know. But at the moment, no luck. Apparently they were in the queue line earlier, according to my friend, but yeah, he couldn't tell hello or nothing. So yeah, I'm actually in the section next to Storm Surge, which I'm going to go on next. I just come off of the Flying Fish, which was excellent. My friends came off a Swarm, I didn't do that in a million years. And yeah, smashing day at Thorpe Park. guys, so I forgot to do an outro down at Thorpe Park. As you can see, I'm at home. But I'm doing it now. You know, I won't miss it out. Yeah, what a smashing day it was. 5 rides with a couple of friends. Well, even though I went on 2 of them with them. The other 2 went on their own rides. The some of us cannot do. I can't do the big ride. I can't do like upside down rides. I'd hate that. You know, it wouldn't be no fun for me. Yeah, this is seriously, as I say, a good day. Yeah, so I've done some off-ride POVs, and my friend has done some on-ride POVs with his GoPro. It's not actually a GoPro, but it's similar. You know. That's going to be on his channel. There'll be either Planet Live Coaster, which I believe it may be, but if not, it'll be on his other channel called Livestream Gamer. Probably on Planet Live Coaster. So check out either Livestream Gamer or Planet Live Coaster for those. I'm gonna email him the I'm gonna email him the off-ride POVs to add to his vlog. I will put the links to those channels in the description, and do subscribe because he does mostly good content. Planet Live Coaster, what he does there, he does recreations of rides at major theme parks. One of the ones he did was The Walking Dead with the queue line themed as Walking Dead, but the roller coaster themed as X, which is the original original ride that was there before. Yeah, this it is now being completely themed as Walking Dead, and it's smashing. Re-themed as a Walking Dead rather. There's now actually a pre-show before you go in. We got the guy that's asking you like, "You guys okay?" And then he's like, "So you at the back, how many people did you kill?" And then over loudspeaker back is like, "There's 2." It's like, why? Yeah. I'll talk about a little bit more about the rides in a minute. So Planet Life Coaster, as I say, that's a channel where he uploads recreations of major theme park rides in the roller coaster creation software known as Planet Coaster, which a lot of you will be familiar with. Another one he's done like a recreation of I Must Celebrity Get Me Out of Here Maze, which for those who don't know is actually a tongue twisted there. Which is actually a reality TV show which comes on annually in November. And basically what that's about, basically literally they do like, what is this thing called? Bush tucker trial. They have to like eat insects. Have to eat insects and stuff and start like go on high wires and all other sorts of things. Yeah. It is pretty good. It's normally on ITV at 9 around November, sort of end of November, December period. It is great. I was going to go on that, but I never actually got round to it. The real I Must Let Me Get Me Out of Here is actually a maze at Thorpe Park, by the way. I think I've got to mention that. It's actually an attraction here. It's a maze in reality, but since in Planet Coaster you can make roller coasters, obviously. He recreated what is it? Oh yeah, he recreated it as a coaster, and I thought that was really cool idea. And he's got loads of other content in there too. So give him some support, give him some subscribers, and get him up to that 100 mark as well. Also, this other channel is Livestream Gamer, which is a gaming channel. He plays warfare games on there, such as Fortnite. I think he does. I'm probably going to get it wrong. I don't know my games at all. I think it's something like Overwatch. He does that. He does Black Ops and lots more. He also does PC building simulator as well. And he actually has rebuilt his own PC in simulator. Yeah. So that's his channels. I've been mentioned a few times since I know him very well from college. yeah, I've had a few mentions in a couple of videos. What else am I going to talk about? Oh yeah. So the first ride that I went on was The Walking Dead, formerly X. Those guys who watched I remember when I did a Thorpe Park mini video, just a few mini clips I did by Thorpe Park, edited into one. Remember when I filmed one of the Bose 402 speakers down at the X ride? They're still there, but they're now sitting there disused because the new speakers have been put in, and the Walking Dead theme plays in there. People did like a remix version of it by Iberscore, who do a lot of the music in Merlin theme parks. It sounds great. I've actually got the Thorpe Park album from last year, and it's really good. Yeah. Then you go into a pre-show. Well, I've explained what he says there, like what happens there. Then you go into a very dark, like passages where you used to have all the flashing lights when it was X, and loud music. That's now got spinning beacons and like flickering lights. Even got like the new LED square tile things that you normally get in shops now. But that's got like a device on them that makes them flicker as if they're failing. Yeah, the roller coaster is really good. There's one point where literally it stops, and then you got a guy talking on the TVs. I've gone off for ages at that point. I'm not going to have to cut this down. You got the guy on the TV saying like, "Are you alright? Have you been bitten?" Because by the way, The Walking Dead is about, for those who don't know, it's about zombies. Then, because the roller coaster is actually like themed like cars, like themed like a car. Basically, when it was about to go, it acted as if the car, the engine was failing to start, and the guy by the TV's next to the where we stopped was going, "Come on," and literally the roller coaster train was just going, ooh, that's like. Just like jerking forward gradually, and then eventually going down the rest of the ride. Yeah, it was a good one. Anyway, I'm gonna have to cut this off soon because this is taking quite a while. I've only got a 15-minute limit on my channel. So yeah, absolute smashing day. Did 5 rides, Walking Dead, Rumble Rapids, which is one of my favourites. So Walking Dead, as I say. What else? I did Walking Dead, I'm just trying to remember. Oh yeah, that's right, I did The Flying Fish, Depth Charge, and Storm Surge. So I did 5 rides there today. And I KFC for lunch, which is always good. A bonus banquet, which I explained earlier. What you get in that? Anyway. Oh, yeah, my mate, I'm not going to say so much. My mate, Livestream Gamer / Planet Life Coaster. He's friends with Sean from Theme Park Worldwide, and apparently he was going to be at Thorpe Park on the same day. He did actually see him in the queue for Saw. Obviously, I can't do Saw, as I said earlier in the vlog, because that's not my sort of ride. Yeah, apparently he was there, but he wasn't close enough to say hello to him or nothing. I mean, like, you know, like distance-wise. And I never saw him for the rest of the day, unfortunately, so that's a shame. But oh well, it's almost really good videos he does. So I think I've mentioned everything now. As I say, it's been a smashing day. Yeah. So I hope you guys take care. Check out my mate's channels, Livestream Gamer and Planet Life Coaster. One of them will be showing. We'll have his version of the vlog, the on-ride footage and my off-ride footage I did on there. So yeah, do subscribe for to keep up to date of his videos. So that's it, guys. See you soon.